My name is Eric Alvaro and I've been working from home for 4 to 5 years now, and just recently have generated over $200,000 working online, or better yet working from anywhere in the world, and all I needed access to was a smartphone or any other device that could get access to the internet. Now, not only that, I recently moved into a brand new home, which is this one right now, and I was able to purchase a brand new vehicle and add it to my collection. Now, most importantly, I also just recently became a father to a little one. Now, not only that, because of this system, I'm also able to generate an income online, which is exactly what I want to go ahead and show you proof of right now. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you my phone. Okay, so therefore we know that this is not some type of screenshot or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my phone, and then I'm gonna go ahead and open up the app and show you guys how much I made today. And it is barely lunchtime, or better yet, it is barely noon. Okay, now this is how much I made today. Now, yesterday I've been able to make $400 in a single day. Now, keep in mind, this was under 24 hours, and I've been able to make $600 paid to me instantly, rather than waiting 7 to 14 days in order for me to get paid. This was sent to me instantly, and it's ready for me to go ahead and utilize towards bills or anything else that I want to go ahead and use this $600 on. Okay, now, like I said, this is what I've been able to make just today itself, and again, it's barely noon, so the day is not over yet, so I might make another $400 or I might make 600, you know. But other than that, just $200 itself working from home, or better yet working online, is just absolutely amazing. That's exactly what I want you to go ahead and do, and start generating income online. Now, in order to receive more information as far as what this is, all you have to do is just read over the information that's below this video.